Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video we are simply going to discuss on how you can check whether who has viewed our location on Snapchat. I'm going to give you an honest answer and some of the reasons as to why this is possible or not. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Can we really check who viewed or check our location on Snapchat? In this video, we are going to simply discuss that. I'm going to give you an honest answer, so make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure that you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. Head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you want to simply type in Snapchat and then check whether the Snapchat app does have an update available. And if it does have an update available, go ahead and simply update the application first to the latest version. After we've updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're actually logged into your account. So simply make sure that you are currently logged into our Snapchat account. After we are logged into our Snapchat account, let's say I go to the map section from the bottom left hand side of the screen right over here. And here it will show you a list of all of the people who have enabled location access on Snapchat, and you would actually be able to see their location. So what if you actually want to know whether that person has actually viewed your location or not? So let's say this person right over here, I tap on their profile and then I go ahead and check their location. It is not actually going to update that person that I've actually viewed their location. That is because Snapchat has not added this feature yet in Snapchat app. So there will be no any way that you could actually find out if someone has actually viewed your location on Snapchat. There were some videos in the internet claiming that if you actually go ahead and tap on Snap Story and then enable location access and then install some kind of third-party apps, you could actually go ahead and view the location. But that is not possible because Snapchat does not release this feature, and they have not released this feature officially. So you will not be able to see whether that person has actually viewed your location or not, or whether you have viewed someone else's location on their profile or not. We hope this video gave you some insights and hopefully a solution. If it did help you, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.